Okay. Sagutin natin to. Willing pa din po ba kayo pumasok sa politics? After nung 12 years na plan ko tumakbo ng presidente after filing my Certificate of Candidacy or COC last 2021 for the 2022 elections dahil constitutionally legit naman to run. Naisip ko pang tumakbo sana for Senator this 2025 and for Congressman via the LCIF party list sana by 2028. Yun sana yung last hurrah. No? Last hurrah ko to further help the country on a national level. But my wife reminded me of the stress I experienced sa LCIF, sa COVID BS at sa pagnanasa matulungan na mas maraming tao. How it almost killed me. She reminded me na not all Filipinos are worth dying for. She reminded me of how beautiful things, yung mga beautiful things I have in life. So no, wala na. I've done my part. I just hope na favorable sa inyo, no? Yung gawin ng mga trapo very soon.